Hello, Triyogil.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Triyogil. Yeah, this is Megha from Quality Development. Okay, you can introduce yourself.
Hello. My name is Triyogil. I am from Indore. I have done engineering degree from VIT College from Indore. I have done 10th, 12th class in Sri Revagujar College School from Sanabad. I am pursuing CMTI course. Uh, that's it.
Okay, Triyogil. How did you get to know about the CMTI?
I'm watching Instagram and YouTube. I'm follow.
That social media helped you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which course did you but means opted for
CSM course.
CS? Okay. What and all did you learn in the training period?
I'm learning lots of thing. We are going to site visit and explaining to all our thing layout, SPS, super built up area layout, site visit, and as it follows IS code, bar bending schedules. अ, मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है यहाँ पे और स्टाफ भी बहुत अच्छा है उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है टीचर भी बहुत अच्छे हैं
Okay, that's good. In site visits, what and all knowledge did you gain?
साइट विजिट में मुझे लेआउट देखने को मिला और बड़े बड़े मतलब हाई राइज बिल्डिंग है वहाँ पे बहुत सी चीज सीखने को मिला कितना टर्नओवर है कंपनी का और कैसे क्या काम करते हैं क्या क्या मतलब सेफ्टी फॉलो करते हैं और सीक्वेंस ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन मिला सीखने के लिए और मेथोडोलॉजी मिला कैसे क्या वर्क करना चाहिए
Okay, that's good. Okay, how did Ashok sir help you during the training period, and how did you motivate? How did he motivated you?
वो सर मुझे सर का मतलब एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा है उन्होंने बहुत टाइम मतलब मोटिवेट किया है जैसे कोई परेशान होता है तो मोटिवेशन करते हैं कि कोई दिक्कत नहीं है धीरे धीरे सीखते रहो प्रैक्टिस करते रहो तो अपने आप आ जाएगा
Okay, that's good. Okay, how was the trainer supportive towards the training period?
ट्रेनर सपोर्ट भी मैम बहुत अच्छे है उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है
Okay, so what you can say for your friends about the CMTI?
ये CMTech course very good course he help for the freshers and in is help for yeah, any experience 1 2 years he also help in CMTech course.
Okay, that's good. You're gonna refer your friends, juniors later about the CMTI.
Yes, ma'am. I refer my friends and my juniors.
Yeah, that's good, Triyogil. Okay, once again, congratulations for your placements. All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.